What if I told you that a complete human life can begin outside the body, inside a lab, and then safely grow inside a mother's womb? Today we are going to understand this fascinating and important medical process in the simplest way possible.
First, let's talk about sperm collection. This is done in a private, clean room in a clinic, where the person provides the sample through masturbation into a sterile container, and doctors usually advise avoiding any sexual activity, including not sharing a bed with a partner for 2 to 5 days, so that sperm quality and count are better. It is very important to maintain hygiene, avoid using any external substances, and collect the sample properly, because even small mistakes can affect the results. After this, in the lab, the sperm is processed and the healthiest and most active sperm are selected. Now coming to the female side, she is given hormonal injections for a few days so that multiple eggs can develop in her ovaries, and doctors continuously monitor their growth using ultrasound. Once the eggs are ready, they are carefully collected through a minor medical procedure, where under mild sedation, a thin needle is guided through the vaginal route to retrieve the eggs from the ovaries, and this is done safely under expert supervision. After that, in the lab, the sperm and egg are either combined naturally or a single sperm is directly injected into the egg to achieve fertilization, forming an embryo. This embryo is then kept in the lab for a few days to develop properly, and once it reaches the right stage, it is gently placed into the woman's uterus using a thin tube, a process that is usually painless. After this, medications are given to support the uterus so that the embryo can attach properly, and after about 10 to 14 days, a pregnancy test is done. Throughout this entire process, maintaining hygiene, proper timing, following the doctor's advice, and taking care of physical and mental health are extremely important, and any unusual symptoms should be reported immediately. If pregnancy is achieved, then care continues like a normal pregnancy, with regular checkups, proper nutrition, and rest, and delivery can be either normal or through surgery, depending on the condition of the mother and baby. This content is shared only for educational purposes and should not be taken as medical advice, and anyone should consult a qualified doctor before making any health-related decisions.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like my channel and share, and also subscribe for more such informative content. Thank you so much.